This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing tutorials, or live day trades, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm currently watching MNQ, which is the ticker symbol for the Micro E-mini NASDAQ futures. So each tick is worth 50 cents per contract, and each point is worth $2 per contract. And so at this point, I am looking for a long opportunity for a quick scalp trade.
Order filled.
I'm currently in the trade with one contract. I am willing to buy one more contract to bring my average cost down just a little bit here, because I do believe that the price is going to give us a nice pop to the upside. So let's see what happens here.
Order filled.
So I just added one more contract here, so my average cost is about $85.50 at this point. And so I'm just waiting to see if we can get a quick pop to the upside. Let's see what happens with the price action.
Target filled. Target filled.
I am all out of the trade for a $23 profit with just two contracts of the Micro E-mini NASDAQ futures. I'm currently up 197 on the day, so keep in mind that with the Micro E-mini futures, they are 1/10 the size of the E-mini futures, and this does give you the ability to scale in and out of positions. Since the required margin is much lower, you only need $50 per contract to get involved with the Micro E-mini futures. It also lowers your risk per tick and per point as well, being that they are 1/10 the size of the E-mini futures. I hope you enjoyed this quick live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.